Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see how we can implement DAX SUMX function in Tableau, and we will analyze, we will calculate previous year sales from it. Okay, so here you can see this is our table. So this is our table: city, bill date, price, quantity and bill year. Okay, 2023 and 2024 data is here. Okay, so I want to see what is the previous year sales, that means 2023 sales, and that one I will get from price into quantity. So I will get the sales, but I want previous year sales. Okay, so in DAX what I will do, here you can see, so here I will take a calculate function. In that calculate function, first one I will take SUMX. In SUMX function, SUMX will take the table name, then what it will do, it will price into quantity. Okay, it will be price and quantity. Then in calculate filter function, what I am taking, I am taking same period last year. So I want to do same period last year, then I will take the date column. So what it will do, it will take the 2023 data, and wherever it is 2023, it will be multiply price and quantity. Thus we will get previous year sales. Okay, but in Tableau same thing we can do. Here you can see, so we can see the same result came here. So what we have done, so if it is the same data set. Okay, so here you can done if the year of bill date equals to year of today minus 1, that means it will check if bill from this bill date column, if the year is today minus 1 means 2024 minus 1. If the year is 2023, then quantity into price, then put end. Okay, so like this we can get previous year sales. Previously in DAX what we are using same period last year function, and here that is we are using like this. If it is today minus year, then quantity into price. Okay, so I think you like this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.